Welcome back to Thriveology Today. Imagine waking up to discover your investments generated more passive income overnight than you used to make in a month. That's exactly what happened to Michael, who transformed his financial life by mastering the principles of wealth building we're covering today. In the next 10 minutes, you'll discover the exact blueprint successful entrepreneurs use to build lasting wealth, optimize their finances, and create multiple income streams. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to level up your wealth building strategy, these principles will help you navigate the complex world of personal finance with confidence. Before we explore these transformative strategies, become a part of our Thriveology community by subscribing. Just as wealth is built over time, small, consistent actions taken today can lead to remarkable outcomes tomorrow. Let's embark on an exciting journey together to transform our financial future, starting right now. Consider wealth building as the process of erecting a magnificent skyscraper. A strong foundation, quality materials, and a precise blueprint are essential. At the core of wealth creation lies the principle of spending less than you earn and consistently investing the surplus. Begin by taking control of your cash flow. For a minimum of 30 days, meticulously monitor every dollar inflow and outflow. This straightforward practice uncovers spending habits that you may not even realize you have. Leverage apps such as Mint or YNAB to automate this tracking, simplifying your awareness of financial behaviors and helping you stay on top of your budget. Create a purpose-driven budget that inspires rather than constrains. Instead of focusing on limitations, channel your resources toward what truly matters to you. This shift in mindset transforms budgeting from a tedious chore into an empowering practice that harmonizes your finances with your core values. Next, take bold action against high-interest debt. Consider interest payments as a leak in your wealth-building efforts. Every dollar spent on interest is a dollar that can't contribute to your financial growth. Focus on paying down debts with interest rates exceeding 7%. While ensuring you continue making minimum payments on lower interest debts. Create a robust financial safety net by setting up an emergency fund. Strive to save 3 to 6 months' worth of essential expenses in a high-yield savings account. This fund acts as a safeguard for your long-term investments against unforeseen life events, providing you with peace of mind and financial security. Steer clear of the prevalent pitfall of money management, lifestyle inflation. When your income rises, challenge yourself to resist the temptation to elevate your standard of living. Instead, commit at least 50% of any salary increase or bonus to wealth-building endeavors, such as investing or paying down debt. Wealth building is not about achieving instant riches. Rather, it requires making thoughtful and consistent decisions over time. Just as compound interest grows exponentially, these small, savvy choices accumulate their effects over decades, ultimately leading to significant wealth. Consider your investment strategy as a harmonious ecosystem, where diversity fosters resilience and sustainable growth. Let's delve into how to construct a portfolio that accumulates wealth while you rest. Begin by grasping the immense potential of compound interest. Albert Einstein famously referred to it as the eighth wonder of the world, and it's easy to see why. By reinvesting your earnings, your money can increase exponentially. This is precisely why early investment is so impactful. Time transforms into your most valuable ally. Diversification serves as your safeguard against market fluctuations. By distributing your investments among various asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and even alternative options like cryptocurrency, you can enhance your financial resilience. Envision this strategy as not placing all your eggs in a single basket. Instead, you create multiple baskets, each responding uniquely to changing market conditions. For the majority of investors, low-cost index funds offer the most straightforward route to accumulating wealth. These funds provide immediate diversification across hundreds or even thousands of companies while keeping fees to a minimum. Keep in mind that every percentage point spent on fees directly detracts from your overall returns. Unlock the potential to rapidly grow your wealth by establishing multiple streams of income. In addition to your main job, explore opportunities such as side hustles, rental properties, dividend-paying investments, or online businesses. Each new income avenue not only enhances your earning capacity, but also strengthens your financial security. safeguarding you against unexpected challenges. Enhance your tax strategy to retain a larger portion of your earnings. Make the most of contributions to tax-advantaged accounts such as 401ks, IRAs, and HSAs. These investment vehicles enable your funds to grow free from the burden of annual taxes, substantially increasing your long-term returns. Optimizing cash flow necessitates consistent review and adjustment. Set aside time for quarterly money dates with yourself or your partner to assess your financial systems and implement essential enhancements. This forward-thinking strategy guarantees that your money management adapts alongside your evolving life circumstances. Successful investing is all about being in the market for the long haul instead of trying to predict its ups and downs. Prioritize a long-term strategy and avoid letting emotions dictate your responses to market fluctuations or economic developments. Envision financial goal setting as orchestrating an expedition. You require a precise destination, the right tools, and key milestones to measure your advancement. Let's look into how to craft a roadmap for securing your financial future. Begin by articulating your financial vision. What does financial success mean to you? Is it achieving early retirement, launching a business, purchasing a home, or exploring the globe? Your unique definition of financial success will shape your strategy and guide your journey. Create smart financial goals, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Instead of saying, "I want to save more," specify, "I will save $10,000 for a home down payment by December 31st by automatically transferring $833 monthly to my high-yield savings account." Create a comprehensive financial roadmap that includes distinct milestones. Divide your long-term objectives into achievable annual, quarterly, and monthly targets. This approach fosters a sense of advancement and enables you to celebrate your smaller victories throughout the journey. It's essential to find a harmonious balance between short-term and long-term financial priorities to achieve comprehensive financial health. Although planning for retirement should definitely be a major focus, it's equally vital to pay attention to midterm aspirations, such as purchasing a home or financing your children's education. To effectively manage these varying priorities, consider developing distinct strategies and dedicated accounts for each goal, ensuring that you address the unique time horizons associated with them. By doing so, you can optimize your financial approach and work toward achieving both immediate and future objectives. Consistently evaluate and refine your financial plan. Life is full of changes, such as marriages, the arrival of children, career transitions, and inheritances that can significantly influence your financial strategy. Make it a priority to conduct annual reviews of your comprehensive financial plan to ensure it remains in harmony with your shifting life circumstances. Leverage technology effectively to automate and streamline the achievement of your financial goals. Consider setting up automatic transfers that divert a portion of your income directly into your investment accounts. Use roundup apps that help you save spare change with every purchase, and implement automatic bill payments to ensure you never incur late fees. By automating these processes, you eliminate the need for constant willpower and decision-making, significantly increasing the likelihood of long-term financial success. Embracing automation allows for a more consistent approach to managing money and reaching your objectives with minimal effort. Financial goal setting should not be viewed as a limitation. Rather, it is an opportunity to cultivate a life filled with freedom and choices. Every financial choice you make is intrinsically tied to your values and reflects how you wish to invest your finite time in this world. Your journey to financial mastery starts today. Think about this. Every wealthy person began exactly where you are now, making a decision to take control of their financial future. The principles we've covered aren't just theory. They're proven strategies used by those who've created lasting wealth and financial freedom. Remember, building wealth isn't about getting everything perfect from day one. It's about starting with what you have and improving consistently. Each concept we've discussed today, from smart money management to investment strategies, builds upon the others to create a comprehensive financial system. If you are truly ready to take charge and dramatically transform your financial future for the better, we invite you to join our vibrant Thriveology community by simply hitting that subscribe button. Just like the powerful effects of compound interest, Every small step you take forward in your financial journey really does count. And every new subscriber plays a crucial role in helping us create even better content that can support and propel your wealth-building journey. Together, we can build a stronger, more informed community focused on financial growth and success. Don't miss out on the opportunity to enhance your knowledge and skills. Subscribe today. Share in the comments your biggest financial goal. What are you working toward right now? Your vision might inspire another member of our community to take action on their own financial dreams. Remember, financial success isn't about overnight riches. It's about making consistent, intelligent decisions aligned with your values and vision. Keep thriving and never stop growing.